Hello, this is my first video on financial awareness. I have another YouTube video that talks about more like mental health counseling because I am a licensed professional counselor and a licensed marriage family therapist by trade. But I also have a very, I really like financial awareness. And I think it's because I saw my parents come here to America and were able to do so much with so little. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 reasons to start a business. And if you stay till the end, I'll tell you a 4th reason why you want to start a business. So let's go right to it. First, you have control of your own time. How many times I've worked a lot of shifts. One of my favorite shifts was working the graveyard shift at a group home. But even with that, and all the flexibility of no administrators being around, I still had to be there at a certain time, and I had to stay throughout my whole shift, 8 hours, until the other people came and we switched out. So when you own your own business, you're able to control your time. There is no one telling you, there's no one looking over your back. You pretty much can start whenever you want. Nowadays, I make sure I get 8 hours regardless. So if I sleep in, it's probably because I stayed up late last night, but I know that I'm in control of my time. And say, like, if someone needs to be picked up from the airport, well, I can always reschedule things. Whereas if I was working for someone or for another business, then I would probably have to take some time off or PTO or something like that. A second reason that you want to start a business is because you have more time with family and relationships. During this time of COVID, I think it showed that lots of businesses can be conducted at home. Like a lot of the customer service businesses, courts were even being done online. There's a lot of things I think we've learned. School was being done online. I think it like just made the trajectory of online schooling, homeschooling and everything. And with that, you have more time with family. How cool is that, to spend more time with family? The thing about it is, like, we have kids, we have family, but we never spend time with them. And so I think that's the best thing you can do. And one of the main reasons to start a business is to be with your family. The third thing is reason to start a business is because of the funding available, or OPM, other people's money. So when you start a business and you start a website, you register your business with the state, you have a good business structure, you have a good business plan, you have an email that's just set aside for your business, and you have a phone number just set aside for your business. When you do that, you can get tons of funding. Funding from business bank accounts, trade lines, business credit cards. There's tons of ways to get money. And the best thing, it's not your money, it's other people's money. And you can really leverage that. And now, since you stay to the end, the 4th reason to start a business is because you are in control of how much you make. You make more money if you choose to. So you're not on an hourly wage or a salary where they pay you a certain amount for the whole year. There is no limit. People with e-commerce, for example, they make money while they're sleeping. People that do crypto currency trading and stock market, everything can be a business, and everything you can make money with. Maybe you know something really good, like a unique skill set. You can leverage that, you can use that, and you can profit from that. How cool is that? So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share, and I would be very grateful. Thank you very much. Bye.